This is how many shares of Verizon you need to own to earn $50,000 a year in dividends. The first thing we need to do is check and see how much Verizon's dividend actually is. As you can see, Verizon offers an annual dividend yield of 6.14%, which is 68 cents quarterly. So let's do the math on that. So the first thing we want to do is take Verizon's quarterly dividend, times that by 4, and get the total amount Verizon will pay us for owning one share. Next, we want to find out how many shares it will take to receive $50,000 a year from Verizon. So we'll take 50,000 divided by the annual share amount, 2.72, which will get us 18,382.35 shares needed. Then we will times that by the share price, 44.15, and the total comes out to $811,580.88 to receive $50,000 a year from Verizon dividends. Drop what stock you'd like me to do next in the comments.
Here is how I would invest $1,000 in 2025. Number one, I would take $600 and buy VOO, which is Vanguard's S&P 500 fund. It's 500 of the biggest companies in the world, all in one fund. Number two, I would take $300 and buy QQQM, which is the NASDAQ 100 fund, usually like high growth tech stocks, good for growing your portfolio pretty quickly. And then I would take my last $100 and I'd put it in a high yield savings account that has about a 4.5% interest rate. And then I would do that every single month, and I would grow a nice little nest egg, and then I had a little bit of money on the side just for in case.
I just turned $274 into $3,000 in 3 days, and I'm going to show you how I did it. This is going to be very powerful, so you might want to save this video for later so you don't lose it. If you've always been curious about the stock market, but were concerned about a lot of math or difficult concepts, then I'm going to give you the secret solution for how to do it, and I'm going to make it very, very, very easy so that even a fifth grader can figure it out. And by the way, my youngest client was 7 years old, and my oldest was 74. So this is from my personal account. On March 5th, I invested $274. And today, March 5th, I cashed out $3,302. And the secret for doing this is stock options. Stock options let you invest a small amount of money and turn it into a huge amount in a very short time. This has been a strategy that only the super rich Wall Street guys have known for years, but they've kept us out of it. I want to share it with you because I think it's the easiest and legal way to make a lot of money in the stock market very fast. So that way you don't have to worry about going out getting a side hustle and spending 8 to 10 more hours away from your family when you could just be enjoying the time with them and making money. Did you know that they just changed the retirement age up to 70 years old? I just can't. Anyway, stock options are the answer, and they're very easy because there's only 2 types of them. And all you have to do is figure out if there's a company that you like that you think is going to go up, or a company you don't like that you think is going to go down. If the company goes down, you buy the second kind of option, which is called a put option. That's it. It's really that simple. I'm going to be offering a masterclass where I show you exactly how to do this in 5 minutes or less. So drop a 5, a 5 in the comments, and I'll send you a free pass. That way you can see for yourself how easy it is to turn $274 into $3,000.
What have you learned most about money?
Once you get it, it's easy to get a lot more.
Is it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Like it took me 10 years to make anything. If you're like, hey Dave, you got to go make an extra $5 million in the next week, I could do that like that.
Damn.
Once you got it, once you get over the hump, it's just.
It comes.
I remember the first time I saw it when I really got a lot. I was like, I spent 5 hours just talking about the interest I was getting on it. I couldn't believe it. It's like, I'm making money not doing it. It's just like.
That's when you're really making money, when you're sleeping.
Yeah,
when you're not working.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
your money's working for you, although you're not working for it.
Yeah.
$500. What do I do with it?
And what's the goal?
Just make more of it.
Do you know what you're going to go do to make more money?
Maybe investing, real estate, stocks.
First off is you just got to pick one. Because if you try to do 3 or 2, It's not a winning recipe. Success leaves clues. If you talk to people that have won and made a lot of money, they will all tell you they did one thing for a long period of time and then they won.
So stay with one thing.
Yeah, it's called focus. You know what focus stands for? Follow one course until successful. You got $500, pick one thing. If you go all in and the money goes away and you didn't win, you'll learn so much about yourself. It's worth doing that.
You learn from your mistakes.
They're not mistakes if you learn. It's like falling off a surfboard the first time you surf. Did you fail at surfing?
No.
No, you just learned how not to stand on the surfboard. Get back up.
So I started investing earlier last year, and at first I'm like, oh, okay, I'm doing okay. And then this happened, and I was like, oh shit, fuck, why did I invest? Why did I spend my life savings? Oh my god. And then I'm like, oh, okay, looks good. And then the summer, it just kept getting better, and I'm like, oh shit, maybe I should be a day trader. I'm about to quit my job. What do I do?